Changing now, sector 4.
Solid reading, diameter 42 feet, 6 inches.
Hydraulic clamp engaged. Collar is secure. Proceeding with detachment.
Take up the slack on the port side. Copy that, reeling in now.
We're good on the starboard side, easy on the port, bring her down slow.
Roger, slow descent.
The sonar dome impact is significant here at frame 50.
Yeah, the resonance data confirms a deep fracture underneath the cladding.
Look at the stress concentration here on frame 5th and 9. The fatigue is worse
From the sonal specs, this seam should hold under.
Watch the clearance on the crane. Lower it steady, keep it clear of the dome. All right, bringing the blaster around now. I'm getting a strong back wall echo loss right here. Okay.
See the spike on the A scan? That's definitely significant internal damage.
Keep the tension on those lines. All right, easy left. Slow and steady. Keep it steady on your side. All right, I got it. Watch the swing. Ease it to the right, watch the gap. Looks good, clamp it now. Slow and steady, Captain. We need a perfect seal. Right there, hold it. Locking clamps engaged. The pitting on this pipe is severe. Check the scan data here.
reading critical structural failure near the bulkhead.
Look at the stress fractures here, near the ballast tank seam.
Yes, the corrosion is worse than the initial survey suggested.
Check the resistance on this route. It's completely rusted through.
Confirmed. We'll tag this as a priority replacement zone.
The alignment on section 593 is still off.
Check the specs again. We can't install until it's perfect.
According to the schematics, this entire section needs recalibration.
What about the secondary controls?
We're showing a voltage drop near the main tie-in. We'll start there.
Make sure that's secure.
It's tight, sir. Same sequence for the next bundle.
Roger that. Let's move to bus 4. Hold it steady right there.
All right, clamping it now. Cuts clean.
Looks good. Let's move to the next section.
Check the pressure on that auxiliary feed line. We're showing a drop here.
Gauge reads steady at 500, sir. Valve is secure.
This pitting looks consistent with the incident reports.
Agreed. We need a sample of this residue for spectrometry.
All right, bring it slightly to the left. Okay, holding steady, secure it.
Navigation systems holding steady at flank speed.
Aye, sir. Radar sweep confirms integrity.
Lighting sequence complete, all circuits green.
Brightness and stability confirmed, engineer.
Pressure holding steady on the primary.
Check the secondary loop.
Negative fluctuation. All green.
The sealing mechanisms are intact. Make a note of the pressure reading.
Confirmed.
All right, let's verify the escape route integrity.
Stern planes articulating up 15 degrees and holding.
Rudder hard port, pressure holding steady at 3,000 psi.
Copy that. Returning to neutral.
All systems fully restored. Control, we are operational.
Confirmed, engineering. Set the watch and log the restoration time.
Half down slowly, watch the alignment on the seam. All right, set her down. She's seated solid.
We're cleared for coating on this section. Copy that.
Moving the gantry to the next position.
The ultrasonic reading indicates a potential void near the ballast tank.
Confirmed. Direct the drone for a closer look at that specific area.
Watch your fingers there, ensign.
Almost clear, sir. Just a little more to the left. Make sure those bolts are tight.
Activation sequence initiated. All indicators stabilizing.
Sonar showing active sweep. We are live.
Sequence complete. Core stable.
Well done, gentlemen. We have power.
Check the seam right above the water line there, Bob.
Looks solid, Captain. Minor corrosion here.
Noted. Move to the starboard side.
Make sure those lines are secure. Roger that. Wow, look at her. Absolutely beautiful. Look at her shine. Absolutely perfect.
Best restoration we've ever done. They did good work on this one.
Dry dock flooding proceeding on schedule. All systems green.
Starboard pressure holding steady, sir.
Tug A to Thresher. Stern is clear. We are proceeding with the tow.